Ever feel like life's a whirlwind and healthy eating falls by the wayside? We've all been there. Juggling work, family, and a social life can make cooking from scratch feel impossible. But what if I told you there's a way to eat well without the stress? Meal prepping is your secret weapon. Imagine opening your fridge to a week's worth of delicious, healthy meals, ready to go. No more last-minute takeout temptations or boring, repetitive lunches. Get ready to reclaim your time and fuel your body with goodness, all while feeling like a kitchen hero. Let's dive into the wonderful world of meal prep. Meal prepping isn't just about saving time, though that's a major perk. It's about making a conscious choice to nourish your body with wholesome, home-cooked meals. When you plan ahead, you control the ingredients, portions, and flavors, ditching the hidden nasties of processed foods. Picture this: you're energized throughout the day, your cravings are in check, and you're feeling confident about your food choices. That's the power of meal prep. It sets you up for success, both in the kitchen and in life. So grab your chopping boards, let's get prepped, and unlock a world of healthy eating happiness. First up, a vibrant dish bursting with Mediterranean flavors: zesty lemon chicken and veggie fiesta. This recipe is a symphony of lean protein, colorful veggies, and a tangy lemon dressing that will tantalize your taste buds. It's perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Let's get cooking. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, juicy lemons, vibrant bell peppers, aromatic onions, and your favorite herbs. Feel free to swap in your go-to veggies for a personalized touch. Next on our meal prep menu is a hearty and satisfying salad that's anything but boring. Get ready for a power-packed quinoa salad adventure, bursting with plant-based protein, fiber, and a rainbow of textures. This salad is a nutritional powerhouse, keeping you full and energized for hours. We'll start with fluffy quinoa, a complete protein source packed with essential amino acids. Then, we'll toss in black beans, juicy corn kernels, crunchy bell peppers, and fresh cilantro for a flavor explosion in every bite. This salad is all about customization. Feel free to add your favorite veggies, nuts, or seeds for an extra dose of nutrition and crunch. Dinner recipe: speedy salmon with sweet potato sunshine. Next, let's whip up a simple yet elegant dinner that will make you feel like a culinary pro. This dish is perfect for a busy weeknight or a special weekend meal. Get ready for speedy salmon with sweet potato sunshine, a dish that's as impressive as it is easy to prepare. With just a few fresh ingredients and minimal effort, you'll have a meal that looks and tastes gourmet. We're talking tender, flaky salmon shanks baked to perfection, alongside sweet and savory roasted sweet potatoes. The combination of flavors is simply divine, and the texture is out of this world. The best part? It all comes together on one pan for minimal cleanup. No need to worry about a sink full of dishes after enjoying your delicious meal. Simply season your salmon with herbs, spices, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon adds a bright, zesty flavor that complements the richness of the salmon perfectly. Then toss the sweet potato wedges with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite seasonings. The olive oil helps the sweet potatoes get crispy and golden brown in the oven. Pop it in the oven, and voila! In just about 20 minutes, you'll have a nutritious and mouth-watering meal ready to serve. Enjoy the delightful combination of flavors and the ease of preparation. Let's talk packaging and storage, freshness hacks. Keep your prep game strong. Now that we've got our recipes down, let's talk about keeping those prepped meals fresh and flavorful throughout the week. Proper storage is key. Ensuring your meals stay fresh not only saves time, but also keeps you motivated to stick to your meal plan. Invest in airtight containers to prevent air and moisture from sneaking in and spoiling your hard work. These containers come in various sizes, perfect for different types of meals and portions. Don't forget to label your containers with the date to keep track of freshness. This simple step helps you avoid any guesswork and ensures you're eating your meals at their peak. Remember, cooked chicken and fish are best enjoyed within 3 to 4 days. This time frame ensures that the proteins remain safe to eat and taste their best. while salads and veggie-based dishes can last up to 5 days in the fridge. These dishes often contain fresh ingredients that stay crisp and delicious when stored properly. With a little planning and these storage tips, you'll be enjoying delicious home-cooked meals all week long. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your food. Meal Prep Power Hour. Conquer your week with ease. Ready to make meal prep a breeze? Let's dive into the art of efficient meal prepping. Dedicate just 1 hour a week to prepping your meals, and you'll be amazed at how much time and energy you save during those busy weekdays. Imagine having all your meals ready to go, reducing stress and decision fatigue. Sunday afternoons or evenings are a great time to put on some music, gather your ingredients, and get chopping. It's a perfect way to unwind and set yourself up for a successful week ahead. Multitasking is your best friend. By cooking multiple dishes at once, you maximize your efficiency and minimize your time spent in the kitchen. While your quinoa is cooking, chop your veggies for the salad. This way, you're always one step ahead and making the most of your time. While the oven preheats for the salmon, prep your lemon chicken and veggie fiesta. This ensures that everything is ready to go into the oven as soon as it's hot. Remember, meal prepping doesn't have to be perfect. It's about making healthy eating convenient and enjoyable. Embrace the imperfections and focus on the benefits. Embrace the process, have fun with it, and watch as you become a meal prep master. With each week, you'll get better and faster, turning meal prep into a seamless part of your routine. Sweet smell of success. Savor the flavors. Embrace the journey. Congratulations. You've embarked on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Meal prepping is more than just a time saver. It's an act of self-care, a way to prioritize your well-being amidst life's chaos. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let the joy of cooking fill your kitchen. Experiment with flavors, try new recipes, and don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, every healthy meal you prepare is a step towards a more vibrant and energized you. Grazie, ciao bello, bon appetit. Thank you for joining us on this delicious adventure. I hope these recipes and meal prep tips inspire you to nourish your body and soul with wholesome home-cooked meals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and some kitchen creativity, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals that fuel your body and mind. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Now go forth and conquer your week, one delicious meal at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.